am with DS Diving. It is December 16th, 2024, here at San Pablo Marina. Just tried to do the zinc repair for Vida, or the zinc install for Vida. Don't have the right zincs. This is the screw that was in there. I'm gonna take a video of the bow thruster to show what it could look like, and then I'm gonna put the screw back in. But that is the screw. This was the screw for the one I came to replace it with. Obviously, much bigger than that. Get a video of the bow thruster, and then I'll put the screw back in.